It's a cucumber. It's a green. I like the cucumber. I like to eat the cucumber. And I like cucumber. It's yummy. Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Arif. Welcome back again our natural studio. So in this video I'm going to share with you most important system. How do you learn vocabulary? Are you thinking all the time, I don't have time for learning vocabulary. I can't remember the vocabulary easily. I forget all the time. So how I will learn the vocabulary? This is the very good system for you. I'm going to tell you this system. How do you remind vocabulary for forever? So don't worry, keep watch the video. It will be best video for you. It will be best practice for you today. And you will know how to practice easily with vocabulary, with any topic, any sentence. How do you remember easily? So think about that. You know, there are so many vocabulary like eat, talk, learn, speak, and look. And you have learned from your childhood to college life. You have you have memorized all the time this kind of vocabulary again and again. You are learning, you are memorizing all the time this kind of vocabulary. But you can't use the vocabulary front of the people. When you talk front of the camera, when you learn something, and when you talk with the foreigners, when you talk front of the camera, when you talk, try to make the video, all the time you forget. You can't make a sentence. You can't make a single sentence with the vocabulary. Why? You don't action with the vocabulary. That's the problem. So today I'm going to share with you how you will learn the vocabulary with the action. Think about that. In my hand there is a tomato here in my hand, but there's nothing in my hand. Just I'm showing you how you will learn the vocabulary easily. Okay, think there is a large tomato here. It's a red color and it's a huge and large size. So what will you do after getting the tomato? And you will be able to do that. Just I will eat the tomato, right? You can use that. You can say that I eat the tomato. I like the tomato. I like to eat the tomato. Otherwise you can say I don't like to eat the tomato. I don't eat the tomato. You don't like it, you can't eat, right? So that's why you can say I don't eat tomato. Another thing you can remember, there is a cucumber. For example, cucumber. There is nothing in my hand. I think you are getting that, right? So there is a cucumber in my hand. You are thinking that it's a cucumber. It's a green. I like the cucumber. I like to eat the cucumber. And I like cucumber. It's yummy. I don't like to eat the cucumber. So like this you can practice in your daily life. You can change the another word like carrot. I eat carrot. I don't eat carrot. I like to eat carrot. I don't like to eat carrot. And other things you can practice like your home. There's a phone in my hand. You can use this phone and you can talk with the people, right? So you can practice with the phone. I use phone. I talk with the phone, with foreigners, with my friends. I talk with my phones with the phone. I'm talking with the phones with my phone. You can practice as well in your reading room. It will be best practice for you. It's action. You can say that some sentence with the phone. This is a phone. I like phone. I use phone sometimes when I get free time, and I love to watch movie with the mobile phone. Sometimes I watch cartoon video. Sometimes I watch movie. Sometimes I play games with mobile phone. Sometimes I watch the games. Anything you can watch. The last night I watched the cricket games of Bangladesh. You can also watch that and you can practice as well like that. Okay, this is the best practice for you and it will be the best practice for you. You have to practice continuously. You have to do it in your reading room. Don't memorize the vocabulary all the time. Try to remember with action. Action like a champion. Start right now and do like a champion. You will be able to success. You can speak English fluently. Don't worry. Don't worry. Thank you so much. I will see you very soon with another video. If you think this video is very helpful for you, if you like this video, if you love this video, so make sure to subscribe and share this YouTube channel. I will see you very soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.